Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. And today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows at home. And also I'm going to be doing my nails, and I'm going to be doing the dip powder nails. So I wanted to show you guys and create a video because during quarantine we can't go outside, we can't go to get our eyebrows done or our nails done. So what better way than to do it yourself and save some money. So if you want to see how I do them, then just keep on watching and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. So here's my little setup. I have this vanity mirror. I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond like a while ago when I was doing like prom makeup when I was in high school, but it just has two sides. This one is the one that I'm going to be using for my brows because it has like a higher magnifying lens. So just have this, have a napkin here, and I have some tweezers. These are just Revlon tweezers. These are really good. Then I have my eyebrow pencil. This one is by Sephora and it is in Midnight Brown, and then it has a little comb at the end, and then I just have some scissors for when I need to cut them. So let's just get started. If you don't have this mirror, you can use, I'm sure, any mirror, but just make sure the light is good and you should be fine. Alright, I just zoomed you guys in. So as you can tell, my eyebrows are so bad. All that hair. It's crazy. I haven't gotten them done in so long. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is, well, I'm also going to be looking in my mirror, so don't mind that. But you're going to take your eyebrow pencil, and if it doesn't come with a comb, you can just get like a spoolie or anything. So this is what mine looks like. Just like a little comb. So I'm going to start with this brow. I'm going to comb it out. Just going to comb them. And basically you're going to fill in the outline of your brow. You're not going to like fill in and shade in your brow at all. You're just going to fill out the lines of your normal eyebrow shape when you get them done. It's basically going to guide you for what hairs you're going to be plucking out. And don't worry about like how dark it looks or anything, because obviously it's not going to stay. It's literally just guiding where we're going to be plucking. It might look really crazy, but I'm gonna point to it, all of these hairs right here that don't go inside the line are coming out, and all of this hair, everything on top here, and any little baby ones that you really can't see on the camera but are there when I look in my mirror. All of these is gonna hurt so bad. And I'm gonna do the same thing to this eye. This eye's a little more, this eyebrow's a little more tricky because she actually messed up my brow a little bit over here, and my brows never just look the same, so it's a little bit more tricky on this side. Cause it's like super curvy up here. I don't know what's going on. I don't know, it's so hard to see in the camera. All of these hairs that are back here, they're like really tiny, but they're going. And all of these extra hairs are right around the line are also going. All of these. And these. Alright. Now it is time to pluck. Also, my eyebrows get really curly on the side, so that's why we're going to be trimming them after, which you guys will see. So they're super long. You need a good little trim. Alright, we're gonna get started, and I just turned my mirror around so that I can see even closer to my eyebrows. And I have my little tweezers, and I'm gonna get started. Wow, it's so crazy because like it's so hard for me to show you on the camera, but like when I'm looking in here there's so many little hairs. So I'm gonna actually start right here next to this front of my eyebrow. You can see the hairs a little bit. There's no, like, I kind of just like hold it on an angle and I pull up like that. And now I'm gonna work my way and do the top first, just because I feel like there's a little less for me to work with up there. So I'm actually gonna comb the hairs a little bit down, just so I can see what's around the skin and not have to pluck any of those long hairs that we're gonna trim, because then I'm basically pulling what's inside of my outline that I made. Wow, look at how long and crazy they are. Alright, I just cleaned the top and the side the best I could for right now, and now I'm going to comb them up, and I'm going to start with the bottom. For this one, what I like to do is I like to take my finger and pull, kind of like how when I get my eyebrows started, they usually tell me to pull up. So look at how clean it looks. I'm gonna do the same thing to all these little hairs, and I'll be right back. Alright, now I'm going to trim them, and then I'm going to wipe away the outline. So I just have some scissors. Alright, now I just finished trimming them, and I just damped a little napkin, and I'm just going to wipe away the outline. So it is coming off, and I didn't like I said, I didn't fill in any pieces, literally just do the outline. So if they look dark or anything, I literally didn't fill them in at all, just my natural brows. Alright, so it's all off. I'm just gonna comb them through again. I did such a good job. This is like my favorite eyebrow, like you guys know. Like I just said before, they never look the same. This is like my good eyebrow. This one, now that during quarantine, it's growing out in that spot that she took a chunk off. That's why I didn't touch that part, and I outlined around it so that I didn't pull any more hair from it. But I'm just going to comb them through. Alright guys, and that is basically it for my eyebrows. I feel like they look so good for me doing them myself and at home. This method works really, really well. I'm telling you, all you need: tweezers, an eyebrow pencil, something to outline your shape that you normally get, and then some scissors if you need trimming at the end. Some people's eyebrows don't even need a trim, but just to touch it up at the end, that's literally all you need. A mirror and you're set. So hope you guys enjoyed this snippet. Now it's gonna be time for nails. is how I do my dip powder at home, and this is the kit I have. I've had it for a while now. I got it from Walgreens, and it's just by the brand Kiss Salon Dip Color System. And it's like a nude color, that's what it's called. And it basically comes with every single thing you need. It comes with the powder, it comes with the base, top gel, activator, filers. So I'm gonna open it right now for you guys and show you how I do them. And it also comes with like the instructions of everything you need to do. Super simple and easy to do it yourself at home. And this whole thing maybe was almost $20. I'm not really sure, but it lasts you for so long rather than spending like $30 for dip only one time at the nail salon. Napkin and a paper just so there's no powder like on my new desk or anything. And I have like another napkin underneath, so just trying to be cautious. So wherever you're working with this powder, make sure you have like a nice space with some napkin and some like coverage. So the first thing I did off camera is I just cleaned my nail with some nail polish remover, just wiped it down, make sure nothing was on them. First, I'm going to clean my cuticles with this manicure stick, and then I'm going to file and buff the top before we start. I didn't like that manicure stick, so I have my own thing to push back my cuticles, so I'm going to use this.
Girl, you're so hot like summer, and I don't wanna want that lover. You give me feels when you do, no one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer, you're everything I ever wanted. You give me feels when you do, no one can do it like you.
So you're going to take the powder, pour it. Now basically you're going to take the base gel. Also, if I can find this on like Amazon or something, I'll link it down below. You're going to take the base gel and do each finger separate. Dip it in, shake off the excess, continue, but one nail at a time. Alright, now we're going to take this sponge and dust off any excess. Now we're going to do a second coat, so we're going to use the base gel, put it on one nail, and then after you don't dip the applicator back inside the bottle, you're going to wipe it down just in case there's excess powder. You don't want to keep dipping the powder back inside here because it's going to get clumpy. Now we're going to take the activator and apply it to each. Very like a nude, but I'm gonna file and buff and then reapply the applicator. After the second applicator coat, you're going to take a napkin and wipe off excess like this. And then we're going to do 2 coats of the top gel, and then we're going to let it air dry for 5 to 10 minutes. Alright guys, my eyebrows and nails are now both done, and I did them at home. It didn't take me too long at all, and it saved me a bunch of money just doing my eyebrows by myself and having that nail kit because I can use it multiple times. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.